Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, today after the launch of Vivo Y100 in China in last month, today Vivo has again announced its new smartphone in Y100 series called Vivo Y100i. So today in this video guys, we are gonna talk about this handset. I will tell you its details like its specifications, price, and lastly guys, I will share my opinion about this handset with you. So be in this video till the last, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, then guys click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So let's get started guys. So let's start this video guys with the specs first. So first let's start with the display. So Vivo Y100 100i comes with 6.64 inches Full HD plus IPS LCD display. Now in terms of processor, this handset comes with octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, which comes with Mali G57 GPU, and this is 7nm based one chipset. And now in terms of RAM and ROM guys, this handset comes with single 12 GB RAM, which is LPDDR4X RAM, and comes with 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. And micro SD card slot is also expandable on this handset. Now, in terms of Android version, this handset comes with Android 13 out of the box. Now, dual SIM with 5G SA and SA support is there on this handset, guys. Now, coming to the cameras, this handset comes with dual rear setup. So, first sensor is a 50MP shooter, which comes with aperture of f1.8. Second one is a 2MP depth sensor, and front is single 16MP shooter, which comes with aperture of f2.0. Now, in terms of fingerprint sensor, this handset comes with side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Now, battery capacity of this handset is 5000 mAh and comes with 44 watt of fast charging support. Now, guys, coming to the pricing. So, price of this handset is $225 US, which is roughly around 18,800 Indian rupees. So guys, now in the last, I would say guys, for this price, specs are decent. I would say it is not up to the mark, but it is decent guys. So you can buy this handset if you want. So thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, just drop your questions in the comment section below guys, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in the future. Thank you guys.